2 seconds of silence, then a sudden loud boom sound effect. Your phone contains a tiny computer, a GPS tracker, a camera, and a wallet. It has more processing power than the Apollo 11 computer that landed humans on the moon. You can access the entire world's information with just a few taps. But are you aware of the tiny piece of tech that can track your every move, even when your phone is off? It's called a cellular module and it's always connected to your phone. So, should you be concerned about your phone's hidden tracking features? Watch till the end to find out.